Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. So stay tuned to see how I got this look. So we're going to be priming using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. And for my T-zone, I'm going to be using the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. And I use that on my nose and my forehead. And today I'll be doing my cheeks as well. For eyebrows, I'll be using my The Look by Joy Precision Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Deep Brunette. And to fill my brows in, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Waterproof Eyebrow Gel in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to prime my lids with my ColourPop Concealer in the shade 42. And so starting with the shadow, we're going to start with the shade Yellow, and that will be our transition shade. And so the next shade that we're going to take is Red. And the reason I took that is because when you mix red and yellow together, it's going to make orange. So it's going to look like yellow, orange, and then red for a nice blend. And to give it a little more depth, we're going to go into brown and work that all up into the crease. And going back in with that same concealer shade that we used earlier, we're going to do a cut crease. But as you can see, it is a soft cut crease. I'm not going up super high because we want it to look semi-natural. So for the outer edge of that cut crease, we're going to go in with orange, and it's a pretty shimmery shade. And blending in with that orange, we're going to be using gold, and that's going to just blend right on into that orange. Now on the outer edge, we're going to go back into brown and just get that harsh line from that concealer out. And now we're going to go in with red and blend that orange and that brown together to give it that gradient effect. And to give it that depth that I really wanted, we're going to go in with black very gently and just blend that on the outer edge. And so now I'm just going back in with that red and blending everything out. For foundation, we're going to be going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the shade 26 Amber. And we're going to be mixing that with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in Maple. For concealer, we're going to be using that ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 42. So I'm going to go in and blend all that out with my Real Technique sponge. So now we're going to set all of that concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So to contour, we're going to go in with the Black Radiance finishing powder in Ebony. So instead of dusting that powder away, we're going to take that foundation brush that we used and just push that powder into the skin, and it makes for a really flawless finish. So for my face powder, I'm just going to go over my entire face with my CoverGirl Queen Collection face powder in the shade Medium Golden. For blush, I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. blush, and I don't have the name, so you can pretty much use whatever you want to use. So up under my eyes, I'm going to go in with that yellow and that red to tie the top in with the bottom. So for highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, and I use it all the time. I love it. I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Spray. I'm going to line my lips with the ColourPop BFF3 Lip Liner. For lips, I'll be going in with my Melted Chocolate Lipstick in the shade Chocolate Honey. And we're going to go in with mascara, and it doesn't really matter what kind I use because I have on lashes. So I'm going to put some life back into my hair, and I'm going to use my Bio Silk Flat Iron, and that's just to put some curls back into my hair on a very low heat though, because I'm natural, we can't lose those curls. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.